MQ to complete the following prep prior to delivery. The DPT controller is pressure fitted into its cutout. Line up the controller so it's facing forward. Push down with some pressure to set it in place. Using an old piece of leather or a cloth, a wood block, and a mallet, tap the rest of the controller into place till it is flush. To remove the controller, you can tap it from the underside or push it out with your hand. Mount the control box to the underside of the desk, using the pre-drilled marks as a guide for where your 2 control box screws will go. Plug the external gyroscopic sensor into the A2 port on the control box. Run the DPT controller cord through the cord routing channel and plug into the A1 port. Run the remaining cord along the inside of the desk and tape out of the way of the mounting bracket. Plug the DL6 cords into the control box and run them through the cord routing channel. Tape them to the side of the desk so they are out of the way. Place the mounting bracket onto the desk, making sure the bracket aligns with the milled slots. Make sure the bracket is flush to the side of the desk where your threaded inserts won't line up. Hand thread the 25mm bolts along the side of the desk. You will need an extended bit to tighten the bolts. Attach the 6 screws to the pre-drilled locations using a square bit. Repeat for the other side. Run the power cord through the cord routing channels and plug into the control box. Tape the access power cable to the outside back of the desk so it is out of the way. National delivery to complete the remaining assembly in customer home. Remove side panel on base unit by pulling panel firmly upwards. Place DL6 actuator in base units through the hole on the top surface, with the motor and the cord ports facing inwards. Mount actuators into place with the included 30mm bolts and washers. Replace side panel. Place one of the leg units with an actuator into the mounting bracket. Slide it back to the side of the desk till flush. Attach mounting brackets to actuators using 5mm bolt and washers. Plug the DL6 cord that you have taped to the underside of the desk into the actuator. Repeat for the other side. Flip the desk over. When moving the desk within the room, it is best to coffin carry from the top. Plug the power cord that you taped to the back of the desk into the wall. Hold down the S button on the DPT controller for 3 seconds. Once a number appears, hold the down button. The desk should raise and lower slightly. This is the handshake. That lets the desk realize the lowest point. You can now raise the desk fully. It is important to note that you must hold the S button for 3 seconds anytime you want to move the desk up or down. It is a safety measure to ensure you don't move the desk by touching the sensor accidentally. Troubleshooting alignment issues. If you find the desk overhangs the base unit on both sides, raise the desk up and check to see if the mounting bracket attachment on the actuator is flush. Loosen the 5mm bolts and slide the actuator towards the outside of the desk. Retighten the bolts.